Hey folks, Dustin Allen again here with Johnson RV with my buddy Rod Benbrook behind the camera. We took in recently this unit, this Winnebago Minnie Winnie. Most of you probably know Winnebago is an incredible product. We got tons of storage on the outside. We got the unit running right now. It's warming it up a little bit. Great layout for a single or a couple. If you're ever bringing the grandkids, or guys, if you snore and get kicked out of the room like I do, it's a great spot to sleep in. This folds into a bed also. Tons of counter space. Nice big TV here. You've got your command center right here. A recessed refrigerator right here. Queen walk around right here. Easy to make the bed in and out. Easy to get in and out. We just want to do a real quick video with you guys. Give us a call, 503-668-5400. We'd love to help you out. Ask for Rod Benbrook or Dustin Allen. Thanks, folks.